So Rebecca, we're doing an event in a few weeks.
We are.
Tell us about the event.
Well, I'm really excited about it. It's going to be at the brokerage, the Wilson Group, so that's cool. It's a convenient location, and I kind of feel like it's the trifecta because we're going to have me there for real estate, and we're going to have Lynn Bossy-Kinzel with CNF Mortgage to talk about loans and what you need to do to be prepared for loans. And you got to have, to get real estate, you got to have a loan unless you're a cash buyer. And then for people that are maybe just right on the borderline or need to work up to the borderline to be able to qualify for a loan, we're going to have you to talk about credit restoration and credit repair. And I think that's kind of a trifecta, especially coming off the kind of what I'm going to call glory market that we've had in 2021 and 2022. And then just coming out of COVID, people have, taken some hits and maybe their credit's not brilliant, or maybe they didn't know that their apartment that they lived in, which was $1,000 a month, is now increased because they're going to have a rent increase to $1,750. And they're like, wow, I could get a house for $1,750. And so I really want to have both you and Lynn there and be present and invite people in so we can just kind of have an open, casual discussion, but fact-based. So we can do some individual coaching if that needs to be. We've got some breakout spots in the brokerage room. And we'll just do like me, then maybe Lynn, then you, and then we'll have it open to Q&A. So I'm pretty excited. And, I would never have an event, would never host an event. Don't know about you, but I'm going to have some snacks there for people. Because ain't nobody trying to be on a Saturday learning and hungry at the same time. Those things cancel each other out. So that's what we're going to do.
That is awesome. I cannot wait because, I'm a credit junkie pretty much. I just everything to do with the machinations of the credit score. I've been fixing credit for the majority of my adult life. It's pretty much from 10 years at the finance director level, and then we're almost in our 15th year.
Wow,
I can't believe we've been in business that long.
You said machinations, and I immediately thought of macaroni and cheese.
That sounds good, though.
Just a natural transition, isn't it? You said,
we got to do a baked one.